justice by acting as a powerful tool for amplifying marginalized voices, increasing public awareness of systematic issues, of mobilizing grassroots action on a global scale. The example is hashtag #MeToo movement trend on social media, encouraging victims to speak up about harassment and violence.
How does social media helps promote social justice?
Social media helps promote social justice through its vast amount of platforms. It can promote awareness through posts, blogs, and other media.
How does social media helps promote social justice?
I'd say, pwede pa lang ba English? I'd say siguro in terms of social media, siguro, kasi diba sa social media pwede ka naman mag-open up ng mga parang thoughts or pwede ka mag-express ng feelings mo. So, sabihin natin is, meron tayong social issue, though let's not be specific kung ano yun. Sabihin natin may social issue na kailangan may address or gusto ma-acknowledge ng government. Siyempre, bilang netizen na meron ka namang right to speak up about that, freedom of speech. So, sa social media, pwede kang gumawa ng post about that. Sasabihin mo lang naman kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Then na yun na yung doon mo parang napopromote yung social justice.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.